Kosi Forest Lodge. Situated in Isimangaliso Wetland Park, Kosi Bay, Manguzi, South Africa. Kosi Forest Lodge is privately tucked into the tranquil sand forest alongside the Kosi Lake system, located in the Isimangaliso World Heritage Park. It offers well-appointed rooms in a natural surrounding. The thatched rooms are raised on a wooden deck and offer roll-up canvas blinds. Each room features a unique outdoor and reed-enclosed bathroom. The dining area is situated at the main lodge, opening up onto a spacious wooden deck. There is also a bar and a shared lounge. Guests in Kosi Forest Lodge can enjoy their privacy, relax by the pool or choose from a range of activities, including guided canoeing, raffia forest walks and day boat trips across the lakes. King Shaka International Airport is 387 kilometers away, while the border to Mozambique is 24 kilometers from the property.